In this video, we are going to see how we can mark all the emails that you have received on your Gmail account as read. So if you have especially a large number shown in the inbox as unread, and it will take you a lot of time to go through all of them, and you want to basically start fresh and keep track of your emails one by one every single day, here's how you can mark all of them as read. So first of all, what you can do is you need to filter out all the unread messages first, right? So instead of checking all of them, which will basically select all the conversations on your mail, we want to find only the unread emails. So we will apply the filter here. The filter is very simple. We'll just write here is and put a colon sign and then just write unread. So this will open up all the unread emails. As you can see, we will select all of them at the top, and if you only have a few, it will select all of them. But if you have more, you will see the option of select all conversations that matches this search. So you select that and it will select all the conversation for you. And once we did that, we will go to this top options, and here you can see this mail kind of icon. You hover over it and it shows you that this is to mark all of them as read. So mark all of them as read, and as you can see, now all the messages are marked as read, and you no longer see it as pending or unread messages on the email or inbox. So that is how you can mark all the emails as read in Gmail. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.